Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Look at that. Look at that. $60. Just got in. Testing my new strategy. Holy mackerel. What an amazing comeback. Look at that. Sweet. Sweet. We're about to. Let's get two out of there. Let's get one out of there. Add three more. Two. We gotta put some green on here, okay? Just for you. Let's do one right here.
Order filled.
Here we go. 21 green. Right in two. So where did we get out? We got out at 504. Okay. We're gonna put times two at 508.
Order filled.
Let's see how that works. We got one out, right? Yeah, one out. One out. 504. Very good. So now we added plus 2508. Let's see how that works. Let's see how that works. What are we looking for right here? 454 times 2. Right here times 2. 1, 2. Let's see how that works. So this was 23. There we go. That's what I wanted to see when I come here. Very good. So I can do this. Market's selling hard. Having issues here. It's 11 a.m. 11 a.m. Could be a reversal. 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 But let's do something here. 7:30. 9:30 right here. 9:30. There we go. We're going to add. I don't know if to add. What did he hit? Hmm. Well, I might have to change this one. I believe I have it in 8. Yep, I do. 8. This pitch didn't work. This one worked. Okay, that's satisfaction there. That's satisfaction there.
financial juice, just the Fed report. What a lame name. Teal book the other day. Do you know what Teal book existed yet? I didn't. Was that a joke by Powell? Like, people laughed when he said it. It's real. It's like some secretive. It's like the secret page book. I had to look it up. Teal book.
Keeps all his girlfriends.
Formerly known as the Green Book. Yeah, real thing. I don't think London changed it after they won an Oscar. More upset. Pretty much. Yeah, we got 3 more people chilling with us on a Friday. We got a lot coming in. Click like, follow, subscribe. Mohammed.
Order filled.
Short from 6017, I do believe. Mohammed, are you looking for?
An order open. Told you it was a reversal candle. 11 o'clock reversal candle.
This support level at 6,000, 6,000 If this is broken, I believe that we are looking for 5,983. I can stop that by the way.
11 o'clock
I stop at 20. The market is not moving in my way, so better to look it out for this. Yeah, I'm not getting this execution right. But the execution is not right. So we do now, Mo. Take a break. I will take a break. I will take a break for let's say 1 hour now, and then we'll think about that. Going to leave, Mohammed. Hey, stay with us and hang out. You cannot leave, Mohammed. No, I'm good. No, I'm not good. Very good. You're not going. Man, once you jumped off the screen, you had to change the shirt. You came back, you changed your shirt up, and you were like, you got this guy. Like 6022 last year, 500 I just jumped in there on the bid in the ES. And Paul, is this the 3-bar reversal you were looking at? Or you were perhaps seeing could come in, or 3-bar reversal happening?
I don't see it as a 3-bar reversal, but close the gap in the NASDAQ. Okay, went halfway through the gap in the S&P.
So we are below the 5. I'm sorry. The candles are rejecting the 5, which is good. Above we have the 13 and the 8. We lose the 5. This trade is dead. Risk is $200.
Shared every day. Son, if you can't say something nice, say something clever but devastating. A lot of that was it. Super nice. I was telling him, I kind of thought that we were going to get a random sample of people commenting, and I was a little on edge that, might meet some people who have some things to say, but honestly, everyone was lovely. Everyone was super nice. So, thanks for coming out. Second, Andre, I'm having a dilemma here. We received, Michael, last week asked for a certain person for me to reach out to them, and they did get back to me. Do we still play it without Michael here? We can always play it again sometime when he is with us as well. How long? Yeah, thank God. Let's do it. It's Friday, and we have a very special message we got from a guest that we're actually hiring a Top Step. So if we have that set up.
Good morning, Top Step. It's your boy, Ross Perot. Now you may be thinking, Ross, didn't you pass away in 2019? Well, if I really died in 2019, you wouldn't my biggest fan have known that the other day? That's why Top Step has hired me to help trim the fat. Believe me, there's more fat on this organization than on mobility scooter at the Iowa State Fair. First off, on talent. Until we bring firework manufacturing back to America, you're not even going to think about purchasing one of those sparkler bottles of Grey Goose, which, by the way, is supported from France. You used to be able to support a family of 4 making sparkler. And when you lost a finger trying to impress your nephews on the 4th of July, at least you could be proud that the ordinance was made in America. But I digress. Next, MP, I want an itemized list of every dollar you spent on these flight lessons. Don't get me wrong, I very much understand the allure of taking to the sky, but I can also think of at least 100 cheaper ways to kill yourself during a midlife crisis. I am happy to provide a list. Anyway, I have to leave now to take a deeper dive into the books. This won't be the last time you hear from the very much alive Ross Perot, Hopstack.
Very much alive. My goodness. That was absolutely amazing. I mean, everybody likes Ross Perot, so he would have known if he was dead. But Wikipedia's off with that one. Oh, man. Lord. You lost. Shit, we got our phone number. Left us a voicemail. That was, because no Sparks was a towel. Bummer. That's, super bummer. You're the next meet on town, by the way. That was incredible. Oh. Think of his voice. Whatever. We'll talk about that later. That's not 21,000. 850.
Okay, this is not working. We're about to hit our spot. It's 200. I should have been out about right here.
Not so fast, Andre. Stuff there.
Right there.
Quote on top step merch shirt. I agree. It's not working. Well, 200. List of ways to die. I know it got me. Should it be? I was like that a lot. Life lessons. Separate. That was me and Bro are different people. You also.
Yep. 200 bucks. Close.
Order filled.
And now we're going to go 10 long. But we're going to do it the right way. Not just immediately, but gradually. Going to go 2 at a time. 2 at a time, because I want to be in the green. So this one is 2. Right there. 2. Maybe even 3. Oh, it went without me.
Order filled.
Circle the calendar and say there's going to be some black magic effery going on today.
Here we go. Come on. I knew that this was the 11 o'clock reverse cancel. I knew it. I saw the pattern. I saw it building up.
Order filled.
I pressed the wrong button. So now I gotta go 4. Jesus Christ.
Order filled. Order filled.
So that was the reversal candle. I saw it printing. I said it. I didn't follow my gut. So we're gonna go a total of 12 because I made a mistake. If it gets here. So saw it printed.
Time frame
I did it out of my gut. Go a total of 12 because I made a
Order filled.
we go at 60. Ooh, we're gonna make bang here. Going to BWAP. BWAP will be right here, a little bit above BWAP. We're gonna hit 37 points. Oh, oh, you're not working like that, you fucker. Ah, 'cause you got fit studies. You got fit studies. That's why. No, you don't.
big days. Now, due to the holiday yesterday, and the fact that we were off here, I'm actually doing the P&Ls and payouts from Wednesday. So the previous trading day, the full trading day that closed.
You got
And so you start out with 5 payouts. We got Cortez. Cortez W locked in $72,000 straight to the bank. Alex D took home 60,000. John M took home 25K. Joshua M took home $17,500, and Reginald E took home $9,000. So congrats to y'all. Obviously some great payouts, making it real, continuing to pay yourself, and see you back again soon. Here are your top 5 funded live funded P&Ls from Wednesday. We got KJ Futures up there from Pennsylvania, locked in $13,573 trading Nasdaq. Wazarek from Poland took $9,988 a day trading Nasdaq. Russia took $6,900 out of Florida trading gold. And then we also have Deshaun trading Nasdaq and locked in $5,600, and Braden took home $2,400 trading gold. But those are your live funded P&Ls from Wednesday, and I'm going to toss it back to you, Jackie.
Thank you very much, Gabe. Braden wins the "You Must Be from the United States." Some American name right there. How many Bradens in Saudi Arabia, I imagine, right, Muhammad?
Have you been a Braden before?
Oh, you're on mute.
Have you been a Braden? No.
Come again? What's this, Braden?
Braden is the name.
Braden?
Braden is very
What are traders?
Never traders. Good. Well, Howard's teeth a little bit. I'm trying to use the grind higher here. Gold. 60.28 coming in London close in 8 minutes. 8 minutes. We got morning recap coming after this. Oh. With that as well after. We got Fitness back. Hell yeah. Adobe, myself, and Dr. Fitz on Adobe time last night. And we got Lunchbox Shake, Hoop, Vince, and Gabe. Okay, a lot of Gabe, whoever wants to be a Gabe here. And we got, sorry, Johan, Gabe, and Goldie. Duking it out in the reversal challenge. We got Gabe, more Gabe, man. More Gabe, more better. Jack, Colby, and myself. There will be no end buzzer this evening, this afternoon, or after the close, I should say. Coach James talked to head coach Paul. You can off as well. This
Good to see Coach Paul.
Oh, that's good. He's a sharp dresser too. If I say so myself, man. He's a
Lovely hat.
yes, he does. He's got a good look. 21,085. Hogue. You take selfies on Wednesday. Were you taking selfies? Hopefully, Clark is there.
Taking a few selfies.
That's right.
One or two.
And some selfies.
Yeah.
What was that like?
Yeah.
What, yeah, what's that like?
I guess it's all right. You know, I didn't really think too much about it. Just, yeah, sure, let's Oh, it's kind of strange, you know, people actually wanting take a selfie with a stranger. But no, one thing we have to remember, they know us, we don't know them, you know.
I have some of them. Yeah, they were really cool. Where is yeah, lost for words. Nice answer there, Hogue. Man, what happened there? You petered out, man. What happened? You had some it's weird. No, it's very, very cool. It's something obviously so I don't ever use them. Yes, absolutely.
I mean, I don't want it to take 30 minutes.
Hey, it's through. Very, very cool. Where are those two kids from Miami? Where are those two kids from Miami? You guys here? Cuban friends from Miami. You guys were the absolute. You guys were the best. I hope they're in here. Looking to have some fun on the town Wednesday. You look at these prices: 60-28 last trade. And the 21,000. Anything, one close is really going. Jack, anything jump out from you? Everyone was nice, yes, right? I'm just in the background, we're like, I don't know who's gonna had something like this. Oh, you know, yeah, back my game. Sony, absolutely, Sony. Nice seeing you there. Everyone's just truly, just like genuinely good people. Yeah. Yeah.
Sony, Ryan, UAP, George, Co.
Yeah. Very, very kind. Looking, talking trades. Community, very cool. I got a last one. Yeah, what are we doing again? Miami. Man, it'll be fun. George, everyone was very, very nice. Very cool. Only Top Step. Top Step. Community's the best. We got Mohammed's. We got the Hoax. We got Cam back there. Cam will be joining the next one. We will do that. Gabe will definitely be the next one. Seattle, you guys want to do it? Okay, maybe we'll do Seattle. We have to we have a good concentration of our traders. West Coast, we're talking about it, but we'll definitely do it again. Look at crude oil here. It's kind of still rolling over a little bit. $73.24. Let me close. 3 minutes. Florida, Jay. I think Florida might be the next one. Wink. Still got a lot to go. So, hey, we gotta break the story here. Look at these LFAs. We have a fund trader list. Obviously, it's over 2 days because of the holiday yesterday. But we have a fund trader, Jason F. is up $51,000 live funded right now. No execution, no profit. So keep an eye on that. $51,000. Got another trader here. That's almost $20,000. Live funded account. We have a trader up $51,000.
And I think approximately my fingers are just done for the day because I see the 8 a.m. and the 10 a.m. updates haven't changed. About $328.
Yeah. Awesome. Nice stuff. How'd you do it? Oh, man, tell us your secrets. See it, Brian higher. Where's Neil's doing?
Just send a selfie to
one that you took or one that you were in?
One that I'm in.
I didn't throw it away though.
Dude, where's Doom at? Doom's a trade. Doom was there, all right. Doom was there before I went to the whistle. Doom was feeling.
The first was there.
I believe he was looking good, having the time of his life. He was working the room, and he is nowhere to be found today. Doom, I hope you made it back to Florida. I mean, yeah, right. As Doom was on the move. Sorry, let me close 2 minutes.
We gotta talk, by the way, about didn't realize I'm on a reversal challenge this afternoon. We gotta talk about the sizing for this. There's madness to have us try and sling eat lots of NQ through like the last 10 minutes of option expiration, like quarter minute.
Hell yeah, baby. Do whatever I'm told, but
We're not.
Changing the rules from the first thing. Yeah, I know what you're saying. Last time we all busted out, so maybe you're on to something there. 21,866 last trade. Nasdaq 60.28 last trade in the ES. 60.10 Mohammed. Still on your break. Did you use the lockout button, or you just? I used the lockout. How much time is left on it?
It's not going to work to the upside. It doesn't have the doesn't have the
I see buyers are having to throw in the chart. Yeah,
volume.
got stopped out here, but look at this market went even stronger. It
Volume.
was take out up for the buyers. It was a nice signal, correct signal. And let's see whether the buyers will hold it back around 25, between 22 and 25. This holding up and show strong green candle. We could see these 40s again. 40s? Okay, 6026. Who has closed? Let us close. 25 minutes on 30. Fast market's got open house. Mohammed Jack. So it fellas from the trader house, and people they're en route to the airport. Shoot, I'm freaking alive. You guys want where are they at? Aaron, Dakota, JG. Well, I can picture. Wow. Damn. Here's one of those for you. Yeah, this is this buy signal. And that's the right. What's that? Oh, fine. There you go. 51. Hold on. Poe's got no time for this. He doesn't have time for selfies. Poe's back in the market. Mohammed, you're locked out. Hold on. Hold on. Look, this is a beautiful picture. Oh, you're crazy showing that. Do you want to show it again, Harvey? Why? Okay. Go ahead. Show it. Put it up. Look at this. It's family. Look at that. Who are we looking at there, Hogue? Daughter Sarah and her boyfriend Kevin. And they don't live far from there, so they came to the meetup. Talk about Kevin. Like Kevin. Yeah. Yeah, he's a trader. Trades a lot of options and stocks. A little busy lately. He hasn't been doing that much with that Archer Aviation stock. Does he call you? What does he call you? Does he call you Mr. Hoagland? What does he call you? Dad. Hey, Mr. Hoagland. Does he call you Mr. Hoagland? Papa John. He calls me Mr. Hoagland, I think, most of the